I am hearing it's not luck, it's fate. It's inevitable. There is nothing you can do that will change God's plan, because actually there is something, it's very powerful, you've managed to do by yourself and raised your frequency, and there is no way back. It implies that the frequency where you are is actually matching everything new. I'm hearing new opportunities, new people, new environment, everything new. Starting from the way you look, you dress, you embody yourself fully, everything is changing. And it implies that the people that are around you, they're collapsing, because if they didn't, I'm hearing, followed the transition, they're fucked. And you see, it's very interesting, because this is what ultimately going on when a relationship is crumbling. It's because one on the two person is doing the work and not the other person. So there is a gap that is created. And this gap, is a blessing, because this is actually the new version of yourself aligning to the new reality, and the person cannot just reach it if they don't do the exact same amount of inner work as you doing. It doesn't mean that the person is going through the same exact change. I'm hearing it just implies that 222 on the timer, a massive love unfolding right now. It is just implying that we're all on the same boat and we have to work anyway. It is just the time and the space that is creating this gap, the amount of work that we are ultimately capable of doing. It will find you. I'm hearing something is about to find you. And you see, I have here some cards from the Lemurian deck, and I'm going to pick some cards. It's going to find you. I got full body chills. It's going to find you. Oh my God. The first card that I'm pulling is Source. I am covered of chills right now. Like, this is the love. And you see, I'm tapping into someone that has been following the way other treated them their entire life. But now you found Source. And this is everything connected to self-love, self-awareness, self-worthiness. You know why you deserve. You know how you deserve to be treated right now. You're not afraid to talk. You're not afraid to speak your truth. You're not afraid to expose to others how you want them to treat you. This is you falling in love with yourself. And this is your ultimate protection, I'm hearing also. You see, it's like you're becoming one with God. Oh my God, my legs are just a big shiver. You just love yourself. It is making, I'm hearing, oh my God, now my nose is itchy. That's the truth. It is just making the whole game so much easier. my eyes are coming here, where the eye is on the throat chakra. So you see, it's open. It's also, this is so big. Like, oh my God. And actually, it's just full of eye inside bubble. So you see, it's like now you cannot close the eye. That's so. You cannot not being so, I'm hearing, vigilant and strict and discipline regarding how people are treating you. That's the thing. It's like you cannot go back. You see, you love yourself too much. You created a relationship so powerful with the Most High that I'm hearing the Most High can actually play through you. You're becoming fantastically playful for God to create, because you love yourself, because nobody can with you anymore. What do we have? The violet flame. Oh my God. Yeah. You've been transitioning. Why I keep hearing transitioning? I think from this new moon to the full moon, you're just transitioning to the best version of yourself. Literally, like you are transmuting. This is, by the way, our most powerful gift. Like the violet flame is a gift from Saint Germain, Ascended Master Saint Germain, and Archangel Zadkiel. This is your best tool. This is the gift from the 3D reality to the 5D reality. This is our gift to transmute every emotion that we do not want. And now, for some reason, I'm hearing also that you're transmuting your old life. And it's very painful because, again, when you open the eye, right, you cannot go back there. There is some stuff that you're finding. There is some truths that you're coming across to. You just cannot deny it anymore. Or you can keep going, creating this gap that we were talking about, and it's up to you. But then you might lose the person that you're supposed to be with just because you want, it's easier to stay in the oldest version of yourself. It's easier to stay in your comfort zone, but this is not where you learn, you see. Ancient future. And what I'm hearing, oh my God, what I'm hearing into this card, I didn't even know. Oh my God, there is the yin and the yang. This is ultimately finding balance. You're like, the old self is crumbling right now, and you might be in a very uncomfortable place because everything you thought was the truth is crumbling in your face. But I'm also hearing that the world is your oyster, and everything that now you're going to create is going to be aligned with the truth. Ancient future is also making me think about what is between ancient and the future is now, and the present is the present. The present is the biggest gift. Higher heart chakra, and it says ecstatic happiness. I cannot make this up. You're heading toward your best life, and it implies, and it's still purple. Oh my God, I got a confirmation on my phone. It implies that, and there is full of love. You see, you're with this person already. This is so beautiful. This is what's you heading towards. This is absolutely magnificent. This is yin and yang. This is balance, but it implies you have to let go of your old self fully. And I can help you. You can check my website. I'm offering very powerful codes, downloads, and activation. I just uploaded the last Kundalini a revolution, the episode number 3. So now you have the full spectrum for your full Kundalini activation. You can also get your masterclass. This is life-changing. This is big. This is huge. You see someone knock at the door. This is source. This is you reuniting. I love you. And until next time, namaste.